Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem which says x3d audio 1_7.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. Now if you are seeing this problem, most probably the chances are that a software called DirectX is not installed on your Windows operating system. Now first of all, let's see what is DirectX, and then we will see how we can install DirectX. Now Microsoft DirectX, so DirectX is from Microsoft, is a collection of APIs or application programming interface for handling tasks related to multimedia, especially game programming and video on Microsoft platform. So to solve this problem, you need to install DirectX, and most probably this problem which says this DLL is missing is due to you are trying to play some game and it gives us this problem. So now let's see how we can install DirectX on our Windows operating system. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for DirectX. And the first link most probably which will appear here will be from microsoft.com, and it says how to install the latest version of DirectX. So click this link here, and in here you can see some details of DirectX and how we can install them. And here is the DLL file included in this DirectX executable file. And you can see we have this DLL file also in here. So it's a official Microsoft product and it's free. So what you need to do is go to the top and select this option, find downloads. And in here, go at the bottom, and in here you will see popular downloads, and just click this DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. I will paste the link of this website under the description, so you can just click this link and directly go to the installation website. Now you just need to choose your language and click download, and it's going to show you this interface, and it says MSN default homepage and blah blah blah, but we don't want that, so we just skip this, and then we say no thanks and continue. Okay, so this is going to download this DirectX on your operating system. And if in most cases if this download doesn't start, here is an option to click this link, and this will download this DirectX executable. So if the download doesn't start in 30 seconds, you can click this link here. Okay, now once it's downloaded, you just need to run this executable file and say yes, and I will minimize everything, and here it looks like this. You need to accept it and click next, and it will initialize all the components, and click next and click next. And once this installation is finished, just click finish and you are ready to go. Most probably you need to restart your Windows operating system to make your configuration proper. And once again, when you open the program which was giving you this DLL is missing error, then this error will be gone. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.